Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account with Blackwell Global. After registration, you click on this option at the top, and then in this section, you enter your nationality, country of residence, and country of birth. You enter your age, title, marital status, and also your ID, card number. And finally, you click on Continue. Next, answer job questions. Provide income if US resident. Answer your job type and click Continue. Next, provide income details and residency status. Then click Continue. Finally, answer trading questions and click Continue. In the next section, you will enter information about your income and the type of income. And if you are a resident of the United States, you will answer in this section. And finally, click on Continue. Answer trading questions, then click Continue. Enter verification. Confirm city name, then click Continue. See verification guide. Continue via mobile or system. You enter the verification section and need to confirm that you have selected your city name, and finally, you click on Continue. In the next step, it will show you the verification guide, which allows you to continue by clicking here and with your system. You click here. In the next step, you select your country and the type of document for verification. And finally, you continue. If you want to change your document, you can do so by clicking here, and you upload a photo of the back of your ID card in this section. In the next step, you select your country and the type of document for verification. And finally, you click on Continue. If you want to change your document, you can do so by clicking on this option. And you upload a photo of the back of your ID card in this section. After uploading the documents, you click on Continue. For Saturday card, you need to select the document for address, and we chose a water bill. You upload the document, and note the document must be dated within up to 6 months. After uploading the document, you click on Continue. And please note that the required document must be dated within a maximum of 6 months. Photos uploaded. Continue. Selfie. Review. Status on profile. And in the next step, you simply need to take a real-time selfie with your system. Then, your documents will be under review. And to check the status of your verification, you click on your profile. Also, click on the profile. On the right side of the page, as you can see, our account has been verified. Good luck.